brain is not your ally. It isn't here to push you forward. It's here to shield you. It does that by keeping you weak, fearful, and quiet. That's the reason you struggle with difficult tasks. Each time you try, your own mind resists. But today, that battle ends. I'm about to show you how to take control of your brain and make it obey. Step 1. Built to break. Your brain doesn't care about your dreams or goals. It only has one mission: survival. That's why it whispers, skip the gym, just rest. Or, one more scroll won't matter. Or, you'll start tomorrow. It always chooses the path of least resistance. But the easy path doesn't create warriors. It creates spectators, consumers, people who dream but never act. And the longer you give in to this voice, the more you become a prisoner of your own mind. Step 2. Turn pain into fuel. The key isn't to escape pain, it's to redefine it. Most people see pain as the enemy. Wrong. Pain is the toll you pay for growth, strength, clarity, and power. Want to break free? Try this. When your brain says, I don't feel like it, answer with perfect. That means I must. Pain stops being a warning and starts being the signal to move. You stop running toward comfort and instead run toward resistance. Step 3. The 3-second kill. Switch hesitation is how your brain wins. That's why you only have 3 seconds to act. Otherwise, you won't act at all. Here's how. Wake up and don't feel like moving. Count down. 3, 2, 1. Then get up. Doubting yourself before a workout? 3, 2, 1. Start. No overthinking. No delay. Just action. Because movement destroys hesitation, and hesitation destroys transformation. Step 4. Daily war mode. You don't need a 50-step morning routine. You need one thing. A daily discomfort ritual. Cold showers, 100 push-ups, 30 minutes of deep work, speaking up when you're afraid, waking before sunrise. Each act is a strike against weakness. Each act trains your brain to yield. The goal isn't to feel prepared. The goal is to act until your mind stops resisting and starts following. Step 5. Become the machine. Most people wait to feel disciplined. Warriors don't wait. They decide who they are and then they live it. Tell your brain, I'm not lazy. I've just trained myself to avoid pain, but that ends now. Then do something difficult and repeat it tomorrow. You're not just reshaping your schedule, you're reshaping your identity. The mission isn't to complete tasks. It's to become a machine that thrives under pressure. You've listened to your brain long enough. That version of you, the one that obeys, ends today. From this moment on, you choose the hard path. This video ends here. You've got 2 choices. Keep scrolling or watch the video that exposes the truth about how you're ruining your 20s. How to ruin your 20s in 100 seconds. If you're serious, you already know which button to hit.